This adorable dog has seen a moose in the yard and is totally captivated by it. The dog is longing for a friendship with a huge creature and is ready to do whatever it takes. His owner keeps calling him to get inside, but looks like he ain't planning to. The moose, on the other hand, keeps ignoring the dog. Apparently, it doesn't feel like playing with a dog today. Despite the moose's reluctance to play with him, the dog keeps trying. All he wants is a friend. He's not asking for much, is he? Looks like there's no hope. This is sure one unfriendly moose.